Hey y'all, how's it going today? How's YouTube treating you today? Find any good videos to watch? Okay, so I'm finally back with a few projects that I have gotten completed. Start off in the back. I got another one of these Dodge Rams. I call it Silver Bullet. I don't know, it's Silver Night Edition or whatever. I got a custom bumper off of there on there that I got from 802 Customs. Pretty sweet deal. Got a nice reveal on there. Then I also put I left the rims, original rims that were on there. And then I put some M2 tires on there, front and back. So we got a diesel exhaust tip sticking out of the back there. I painted a toolbox aluminum. I put that in there. What else we do? I still got to paint the rest of the exhaust pipe there that I bent out and put on. And other than that, that's about it. That's all we're going to do to this truck, guys and girls. I think it turned out pretty sweet. I've built probably 3 or 4 of these. This is the first one that I've put a custom bumper on. I'm going to be getting some more custom bumpers here soon as I figure out a good spot to get them. Anybody knows where to get a good set of custom bumpers and push bars and all that, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm definitely looking for some. But other than that, I think this truck turned out pretty sweet. This, like I said, first one with the custom bumper, not the first one with the toolbox. Diesel exhaust tip, I just got to paint that up, and this truck is ready to ship down the road. Next up, I took another one, and this one is a Ram 2500. And this one came with the snow plow. What I did with this one is I changed the wheels and tires out on it, and I think those look pretty sweet on there. It's the white rims. I painted a white toolbox up, stuck that in the back. Got a diesel exhaust tip sticking out of the back on this one. Like I said, I think this one turned out pretty good. Those tires look pretty sweet on there. I mean, even though they are older wheels, but I like the white wheels with the white truck. They match pretty good. Like I said, it came with the snowplow. I didn't touch that. Other than that, I think that truck looks pretty good. Got a little dirt on it there. The truck turned out pretty sweet. What do you guys think? Think I did good with those white wheels? We'll see. I'm going to list this here probably tomorrow also. And then here's another one that I've built, probably 3 or 4. The 2020 Ertl cab on the green light flatbed. I took the mirrors off of the green light truck also and put those on here. I had to grind the mirrors that were on here, grind those off, and then I was able to glue these on. I think they're a little bit big. They look a little big on this truck, but that's what they're supposed to look like, I guess. So other than that, that's all we did to it. I was going to make put a diesel exhaust tip on this one, but as you can see, there's not much room back here to try to sneak one in there. If I did, it'd stick down too low. It probably wouldn't look right, so we just skipped it on this one. And then, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I put up a post as to what to do with this truck, is to put a tow bed on it, which this originally was, or a flatbed or a service bed. A guy on Instagram, I don't remember what his name is, but he commented that I should use the tow bed and make it a Welding truck bed, and that's the direction I went with. And as you can see, I think it turned out pretty good. Nothing's glued on here. I don't want to glue anything on, but everything's set. I don't have a tank for my welder, but I need to get a couple of those. That's something else I'm going to look for here real soon. The other thing I'm going to do here is, you can see these wheels and tires. I'm not a real big fan of these wheels and tires on here, so I don't see any reason why, since this is just a welding rig, it don't really need to be a dually. Most times you won't really be towing a lot with this, I would imagine. Some guys would. But what my plan is to take the dualies off of there, and I got a set of these. I'm going to paint these up, put these on there. I think that'll look pretty sweet. Give it a good high stance, mud truck looking. What do y'all think about that? Should I leave it like this, or do y'all like these wheels and tires a little better? Let me know in the comments below. All right, guys. So Some of you all have been following me on my dually, my Ford 92 Ford dually that I've been working on. I got some, get it where you can see it. Got some wheels and tires put on here. I cleaned them once, but you can see they're still dirty. I need to scrub them a little more. So I'm going to pull those off there and scrub them. Maybe put a fresh coat of black paint. I'm probably just going to leave them black. I'm not sure if I'm going to raise this up or leave it this kind of a dropped look, I guess you'd call it. So we might leave that. The wheels and the wheels stick out past the fenders just a little bit. I'm probably going to just leave that like that is. I don't see any reason to really change that. But that's where we are with my dually, guys. We're getting closer. It's real close to being done. I just got to figure out a few other things with it. Taking my time with it. I want it to look good when it's done. Oop, look there. There went the wheels and everything. Wheels and mirrors. A chainsaw. Okay, some of this stuff, guys, you know that it's really hard to keep track of, especially the mirrors. Those things, I lose those more than anything. And then you get stuff like my chainsaw. You know how much fun that was to paint? That was a lot of fun to paint. But I think it turned out pretty good. Looks good. So I have like 3 or 4 of these. These are really hard to keep track of. Then I got my mirrors. Tire that fell off. Okay, next thing I'm working on is another wheel fell off. That's because these axles aren't wide enough for this truck. But I have this Auto World F-150 that I already tore apart, cut the bed off and everything else. So I'm going to try to do something with it. So I think we're going to try and make a flatbed with it. And I'm probably going to do the same with this since it's just an F-150. We're going to put some bigger mud tires on it. We're not going to leave it a dually. But that's another project that I'm working on. And that's about all I got for you today, guys and girls. I'm slowly getting back into working on some projects and some trucks. I got a few ideas that I'm working on here. And hopefully next week I got a whole new lineup of some new trucks. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I just bought a whole bunch of trucks not too long ago. So I got a whole bunch of new projects coming up. So y'all have a good day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Same name, Backwoods Modeler. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.